magsalita. Yung MC.
Kaya, baka ano to, parang,
because it's raining earlier this morning, that's why you provided an umbrella. That's our home, and it's on Balivin Island, and this is the connect with Onway. Yeah, that's it Onway.
ano, pare-parehas yung mga buhok nila.
Ano ito, igorong, no?
Ewan ko nga. Parang Pilipino naman ang mga ito. Hindi natin alam kung Pilipino, Indonesia, Thailand, hindi na natin alam.
Kasi yung mga ano, yung balat, no?
Oo. Ayan o, ito.
Happiness.
And how long do you actually have to get into costume? How long is it? I think that there's a lot of
Ito ang mga damit nila dito, ewan ko kung ano to, halo-halo na yata. Yung mga ano dito, halo-halo ang lumahok. Pilipino yung
Salita, di ba?
Indonesia o Thailand siguro.
Sa accent pa lang.
Ayan, lumabas.
Pero yung mga contestant yata yan.
Mga ano yun, sa Indonesia kayo.
I spent about 5 minutes
Contest yata ito.
and we spent 2 hours.
Oo, hindi Pilipino to.
I also, you know what suits me is the next performance because they have something
Ano,
I
Pilipino
don't.
yung lalaki.
You will soon find out because the next performers is representing the Philippines.
Ha?
Philippines na yung next performer.
Ha?
Yung next performer daw from the Philippines.
Ha? Pilipino na? Ay, Pilipino.
I actually asked if I was handsome and they all said yes, so I told them, liars! Anyway, the next performers are representing the beautiful country of the Philippines, where we're
Ay,
Tyler and I
Pilipinas
from.
to.
And they're dancing one of the most famous traditional dances in the Philippines. And it's called Binanangyan. Yes. What does it mean? Partner, Binanangyan is
Mga ano
Philippines cultural festival being celebrated in Iloilo City. Magkagaling ayun ba? The festival is named, or the festival name Binanangyan refers to the word Dagrak, which means Mary. And like what I said, I envy this next group or this next performance for having something I don't have. So please, without further ado, please welcome One Visayas!
Ayan nga sila, taga-Pilano King yun. Ang ganda ng costume, no? Pinaghirapan talaga, no? Gusto ko may video. Kaso nga lang. Ang hirap ko makakunik kasi. Ay! Ayan, may pagtira! Pira, ilo-ilo! Pira, ilo-ilo! Ay, lampak yun! Pira, inay!
Ikaw ang
Beautiful performance.
Yeah, such beautiful performance. Amazing. I love the energy. I love the color.
And I love your hair.
Hello everyone. I am your new host. My name is Curly.
Yes.
Mom, how are you?
Good.
You like the way I look?
Oh, just the way you are.
Anyway, kamusta naman po or how long do you practice sinagyang po?
Well, actually, we came practicing last year for preparation and Sinolo in Macau. Wow! So excited.
So you also
Talaga nila
represent the
memorize na
Philippines
eh,
in
no?
Macau, or
Kaya
cultural
pala
shows in Macau as well.
Last year pa daw nila.
Yes,
Kasi nag-ano din sila sa Macau.
And what can you say about One Visayas po? What are the activities happening for the
Hindi
group?
talagang
Upcoming
pinag-practicean nila
events or upcoming activities for the group?
As of now, we are now volunteering. We have one booth there. So we are playing Suka, the traditional game in the Philippines. So now we are preparing for February 2025. Yeah, we go to Macau! Amazing costume.
Okay.
And what is this? Is this a pro or what?
Hindi pa nila nakita ang palitan ng
Aswang is a Filipino folklore vampire.
Yes.
Witch that eats babies.
Now, the dance is actually to honor Santo Niño, the Holy Child. And of course, Dinagyang happens on the 4th Sunday of January. Tama ba, ma'am? Oh, amazing. With that, maraming salamat and more power to One Visayas. Ma'am Edna, please, give a big hand to the group. One Visayas! Thank you.
Wala talaga sa ayos yung ano,
The
live.
hair, by the way, because I love the wig. Thank you so much.
Hindi ako makapag-video kay puno na nga yung storage ko. Kaya
Maraming
live
salamat
lang
and
talaga.
then of course to the group, maraming salamat po. Thank you, thank you. Yes. Okay.
Now, okay. The Nepali traditional dance from Galaxy Dance Studio. Please give them a round of applause.